Hey guys, happy Friday. Just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about some self-releases for your pelvic floor. So remember how we talked a little bit last week about how if your pelvic floor is really tight, that can create a lot of problems. That can also cause leaks, feelings of heaviness, painful sex, pain in the pelvic region, pain in the tailbone, and then if the pelvic floor can't fully lengthen, just like any other muscles, it can't fully contract. So you might be doing Kegels all day and not feeling a whole lot better. So a couple things you can do. You can try some self-releases first. If they don't help, go find yourself a pelvic floor PT and see if they can give you some relief too. So anyway, I like to use, you can use a tennis ball. This is a lacrosse ball. It's a massage ball. I like it. It's not too soft, but it's not too uncomfortable. You can sit comfortably. I like to sit on the floor. You can also sit in a chair. You're gonna find your sits bones. If you don't know exactly where that is, it's really basically the bone that you sit on. So you find your sits bones, and then you take the ball right on the inside. So you're going right on the inside of your sits bones, and you sit back and let it release. You can also try just some meditation or some deep breathing while you do it, so that you're, if it's a little uncomfortable, just to get yourself to relax. Another thing you can do, or another thing to remember, is that your deep rotators of your hip are part of your pelvic floor. So sometimes those get really tight as well. So you can lie on your back. You can palpate your hip bone. If you have trouble doing that, you can straighten your leg out and just turn your hip in and out. You can feel that bone come right into your fingers, okay? Then go right behind that, take the ball underneath, and let your hips sink down. And again, you can hang out here, you can roll around a little bit and try to find those tender spots and just let it release once you find a spot. And you can position that like wherever you find the most tension. You can also find your sacrum, that lower part of your back, that coccygeus muscle. You can put it right underneath. And same thing, straighten out the leg and just let it release. Okay, so if you're feeling maybe a little tight, or maybe you're having some of the symptoms that I mentioned, try to add some of these self-releases into your daily routine and see if that helps.